A warm welcome to all of you on the day 2 of Frontend Mentor series. So today we will be doing the NFT preview card component. I have already taken up the project, and yesterday, due to some minor mistake, I will not be able to do this. So, but I fix it, and but um, I fixed the issue, and maybe today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or on Friday, I will show that project once again. But due to time constraint, that needs to be taken care. So today I've already taken a project and have downloaded scatter files and linked it in the VS Code. Okay. One second. So I've already taken it, and one second, one me increase the font size. Index.html. Let me open with live, and here. So I would also like to thank one of the viewer who have rectified the error and replied in the channel, and also prepared a YouTube video and posted it. So thanks, gentlemen, for the efforts. And it was a very minute error which I fixed after the channel also, but I will show you. So one second. Okay. So as you all can see the design, this is the design. This is an NFT preview card component. Fine. And this is the active state. This one. So what they have given us: style guide, mobile view, desktop view, two type of color, four types of again color, and body copy fine. Font size this, and font family they have outfit font they have asked to use, and weights have 300 400. So okay, fine, perfect. So base index.html, let me create style.css. And before doing anything, let's quickly link CSS. So because sometimes it happens that I forget to link, and checking why it is not coming. So before doing anything, quickly, as you all have seen, so let's have main dot container, and inside this main, before doing this, let me have a brief of that how to use it. So a main parent container, inside this the top and bottom, and will have the left and right, and after this a button type portion will be there. So nothing more, but sometimes it happens that we need a lot of code to fix it. So we'll have a main dot container, and it contains all the entire element inside it, and we'll have the section. One second. Inside this section, one second, we'll have again a class main dash card, the name of the class, and inside this section we'll have the image src images. This will be the image. One second. This is the base image. Perfect. So, and we will have all it as NFT, and we'll have a class here. One second, why it is not coming by default? Yes. So we'll have the class name main underscore main dash image will have the class, and after that something. 1 second, let me delete it. We'll have the images as the images and have the equivalent image, and we'll have class. The name of the class will be image underscore image. Fine. And main underscore image will again after this will have a div, and in this div we will move another image, which one is the image icon. The icon will be the alt, and will again have a class. The name of the class will show as view, and 1 second, let me fix the screen first. Okay, and inside it let's give a class also to this div. Overlay will be the name of the class. So we have a container, inside this we have section, we have a div, 1 second, main section, one second. So here the main is there, section is there, and let me again have a div, and for this we have a class, and inside this div we will move this image. 1 second. Perfect. And inside this div we will move that image, and 1 second, we will remove it. Okay, and this one is here. 1 second, and we will move this into the upper div. Fine. So basically proper parenting is required here, unless you will not be able to fix the styles properly. So in this div we have image container, and class overlay. Okay, perfect. And again another image we have. Fine. So after this let's again have a div, and we'll have, this is for the class of text container, but all have text has been written here. So we'll have the h1 here, and h1 also need a class. We'll have the title, and now we will move this the equilibrium part in this header one. Okay, fine. And okay, equilibrium part. Okay, fine. 1 second. Okay, so we have moved this equilibrium part in this, and after this we'll have a paragraph tag and left and right. Okay, so let's have a paragraph tag, and we'll move a description by the description. Again, we'll have a class. In the class name as description, and save it. Okay, it is taking the shape, and now this footer is not required. Let me remove this first. Okay, now fine. So after this h1 we have p. 1 second. And after this p will again have a div. 1 second. And inside this div we'll have the class name info. And inside this we again have to create a div, and inside this div 1 second, we'll have to insert image using the images, and icon Ethereum will be the, okay, right. And we need to give again a class info. Fine, so save it. Okay, again a class for this image. On, and here you can see, let me go to the, okay, some spans need to be added here. And in this span we'll have a class, and we'll have the class name as ETH. And after this we will add this 0.041 ETH to this span. Perfect. Okay, okay. This is the left one, and we will add the right one now. Again, we'll have the same class. Control V. And one second. And here, clock has to be here. Fine. Let me see the image once again. The clock icon is there, and 3 days left. Has to be placed in the right. So, in this alt, we have the class. We use the same class icon. In this span, we will use this 3 days left. Okay, saved it. Fine, perfect. Perfect. So we are closing this class now. Again, open a last class. In this, we'll have the image src. We will insert the avatar image, and we'll have the class the class name creator name, one second, the image is not correct. 1 minute. So here we'll have the image, we'll have the alt as Jules, and have the class name avatar. Perfect. And after this, we will have a paragraph tag. And inside this paragraph tag, we will have this creation of all text. Here we'll have again a class has to be there. Created text will have the class name, and here we need to use span, because this Jules Maran is something different. And let me have a class Creator name. So okay, fine. So we need to actually fix the image also with this paragraph tag, although that we will do. So one second, I can say so I can say the styling, sorry, the HTML part has been completed now. We will do the changes as and when required in case any container needs to be added or needs to be removed. So here, fine. So quickly, one second. Let me quickly let us import the Google font first. The name of the font they have given is the outfit font. And one second, so remove all, and they've asked 300, 400, 600. So 300, 400, and by 600, 600 here, 600. So click on export, Control C, Control V. Perfect. So now quickly we will start with the styling part. Once again we will have a look the preview part. Perfect. So now let's quickly start with the body. Now margin will have 0, padding will again have 0, same the box sizing is border box. Second, where is the picture? Okay, fine. So now let me, okay, fine, fine, fine. Now things are proper. So let me start with the body, and we'll have the background color as something they have given. We will do one thing, we'll declare the variable bg dash main. We will declare font family. We'll have the name of the font is outfit. Where's the name? Outfit. Fallback font will be sans serif. Okay. So we have added font family. Now we'll have the color. Again, we will declare the variable blue. We'll have the font weight as they have given us 300, and have the line height Okay, so before this, let's declare the variables first. bg main style guide. We have this color, very dark blue, fine. And for the bg card dash dash bg, will have this one, very dark blue card bg. Okay, so it is looking like this. bg main and uh, 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 and we need to declare this for color blue also. This one, soft blue. Okay, nice. So three types of colors we have declared in the root. Background color variable main bg main, fine. Now we will move to the next part. Just colors blue, fine, fine. So now we will shift to the main card. Where is the main card class? One second. This is the main card. Here we'll have background color dash dash bg card. Okay, nice. Okay, fine. Have the width, platform minimum 7.5%. Okay, nice. Again, we'll have the margin for this main card. Okay, nice. And we'll have the border radius. Sorry, BR 15px. Have a padding of 1.5 rem and 2 rem. Again, a box shadow. Sorry. Box shadow will have 0 space 1 rem space 3 rem space rgba 0 0 0 0.5. So box shadow is being created now. Fine. Now let's work out on the next container, next class, which is the image container. We'll have the position, where the position as a relative, and we'll have the margin as 0, auto, width will be 100% for this, and max width again we will have 300 px. Let me preview it once again. So okay, fine. Now we'll pick the next class. This one, main image. This will have the display as block, and we'll have the max width as 300 px, width 100%, height will have the auto functionality, and border radius we will have of 10 px. So now things have started coming to the shape now. Now we will pick the next class, overlay, and the position as absolute, position as absolute, and have from top will have 0, bottom will again 0, and from left 0, right also 0. Okay, nice. We'll have the height as 100%, also 100%, fine, and the opacity will be 0 here, and have the background color, for which we will be choosing a variable for this can. So one second. Okay, fine. So let us declare this variable once again in the root. Where is the root? And which color they have asked. Okay, this is a can color. Control C. Saved it. Nice. So going back again to the main section for the background color. And for this we have the last one as the border radius of X. Nice. So next class we will be picking up the view class. So step by step pick each and every class and design it. We'll have the position as absolute. We'll have the position as absolute, and now I can say the top picture has been styled. Now the half of the part we need to style. Okay, fine. And from top, oh, sorry, top will have 50%. From left, again we have from 50%. We will be using the transform translate. Minus 50%, minus 50%. Nice. And after that, we'll have the text align center. And let me see once again. We'll have the display as none. Fine. So after this view, we will be using this hover property dot image container. Where is the hover effect? Once again. Space dot overlay will have the opacity as 0.5 and will have the cursor as pointer. Okay, fine, working. Again, we need to add some more hover properties here. One second. Image container. Hover. And after the server we'll have dot overlay plus, so we'll have to give space dot view. We will be having the displays block. So now switching to the next style which we have created as the title. We have the color what they have given. Mm, this white color they have given. So we'll declare this as variable, and again we will in the top. Okay, nice. So going back to the code here, we have the margin as 1.4 rem, 0.75. Okay, okay, nice. Oh, once again. So we have 1.5 rem 0 and 0.5 rem 5. So after this we'll have the font size as 1.4 rem and have the font weight of 400. Fine, good. Now it is in alignment. Yes, equilibrium hash 3429 is in alignment now with the final product. Now after this title, we'll pick the next class. Let me see the description class. And we'll again start with font size of 1.1 rem. We'll have to use letter spacing here. This normal will not work. We'll have to use 0.015 em. Okay, now it is looking nice. So after that, after the letter spacing, we'll have to use the margin bottom in order to add some space. Use the font weight of 300. Now space I have created. Now we will move to the next class, ethinfo. Here we'll have the display as flex. We have justify content space between. and again need to use the margin of 1 rem 0, and again we'll have to use 1.4 rem. Perfect, perfect. So one is in the right, another one in the left. Now which one is the next class? Hmm. Use this dot eth. Color will have, we have already declared the color as cyan, and we have the font weight of 400. Okay, moving nice. And after this eth, we need to use the class eth. Okay, we'll have this info. We'll have the display as flex once again, and have align item center. Good, nice. After this, which one is the class left? Uh, 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 let's pick icon. Icon will have to use some margin. From right, will you to use 0.5 rem. Yes, nice. And after this info, we will which class? Which there are so many classes. 1 second, 1 second. One second. So at info we have used icon eth we have used. One second, this div. Okay, we need a class here also. Here dash. Okay, so let me save it, because for the rest of the part again we need a proper class. And now the display specs. and we will be using the border top. Border top will have one p solid, and we'll have the color in variable. So again we need to declare this as variable. One second, some error is there. So bordered on line color is there. So they have given some line color also. One second. Where is that line color? Line color. Line color. So they have not given. So not to worry. We will use it. Line color will have the HSL of 32%, 27%. So we have added this here. Dash dash line and dash color. Nice. Okay, nice. So now we will give the padding from top. We'll have the one rem, and align item again. We will use the center. Nice. Now the image part is left, which we have already given the class as avatar. We'll have the border. Border of 1px solid. I have the variable as white. Have the border radius of 50%. Width we will be having of 2 rem. Height again auto, and margin right has to be added of 2 rem. Nice. 2 rem seems to be a little bit more. We'll have 1 rem and say okay. Nice. Now we'll have the class left as this creator text. Purposely we have prepared this for the font weight of 300. Nice. Creator name also we need to use. One second. use the color of variable white color. Now the hover properties needs to be implemented here in title hover. Second, we'll use the color as and from variable only we will use the can color, and we'll have the cursor as pointer. CP will not work here. So let me check. Okay, fine. So it is working now. Now we will have the media queries. One second. One second. Red media screen and max width of 300px and max width of 300px. We will have the flex collection as column. Let me check in the mobile view. Oh, okay, perfect, fine. So by this, we have completed this NFT preview component, and hi Desi engineering classes. Just saw your message. So today we have completed the day 2 with this NFT preview card component, and I can say n number of classes are there in such a small project. So our property is also working fine. So we'll see you again tomorrow, same time, same series. Bye bye. Take care.